Okay, hello fans, I'm still your lovely girl Nkechi Nwa Ekwuluobia. Fans, as you can see, ndo she be at my shop. Like, I'm on my house this morning. My girl on my phone. So mbata here, behold, full at the shop was where in fact, I don't even know where to start from. The whole place we are so scattered. A lot. This shoe now was somebody's own, or somebody's shoe in my shop. All the two. But the person will have this one. Well, the second one. The second one with a lot of people's clothes. Manding Kansas yesterday. The person cherry from here. Do too much, which I can't even trace the particular clothes from this place. But this board, in fact, everywhere we are so scattered, you know, like though the person the POS using at my shop, almost 200,000. I just withdraw it yesterday. POS, the person took it exactly this time last month. Shop or my shop, only Monica the person so nga change one key, hap one key. So the person be able today again now. But hey, one king coach and rapper. But Okoye the second one do because of the may change go ya. We see any member where Kokaya no we see ba no we at this place. So I don't know. I'm gonna maybe they video like she go ya won't be people when you marker. Like I decided to I don't even know what to say. She like one board come finish school, sit from this place, then you know my family or from here come like I don't know what to say. With all the people's clothes in here, how will I do it? How am I even going to trace people's clothes? Like I don't know what to do. Just this little shop, my place, you know, or maybe the way go, I can do money. Like I don't know what to say. Like I don't like. In fact, the thing just boom me.